Chef Anthony Lopinto, and I'm here today with Ilfornino Outdoor Wood Ovens, and we're going to have a demonstration today of how to roast whole fish. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a whole roasted fish is a beautiful dish to serve to your guests. I always enjoy serving whole fish, whole animals, or whole birds because it's a great way for you and your guests to enjoy the same exact creature that you're going to eat. So let's get started, and we are going to show how to properly dress your fish. So we have a beautiful, beautiful local black sea bass. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's nice and fresh. And what we have is that the fish has been scaled and the fish has been gutted, and then I took the gills out itself. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take our scissors and we're going to trim off the fins. So I like to trim these off because, you know what, you don't eat it. They usually burn, and that's not what we're looking to do. We're looking to just roast this nice fish. And then we'll trim our tail. So what we have also is a really nicely trimmed fish that will present beautifully also for your guests. Okay, so we got that done. Here we go. Now, when roasting whole fish, I personally make slits on the fish right down to the spinal column because this will help cook the fish. So give yourself 3 slices. Don't slice all the way through. Now, follow the gills. So over on this side, we'll do an opposite slice down the fish so that it'll cook evenly. Now, we have fresh garlic. We have some fresh lemon here also. And we're going to make some lemon slices. Okay, we have some fresh thyme. Let's slice some garlic. You don't need a lot, just a couple pieces to put inside your fish. Now, we're going to season the inside cavity of our bass. Some fresh pepper. And some fresh salt. There we go. Let's put some herbs in. Let's throw some lemon in there. Let's throw some garlic in there also. We'll put some lemon behind the gills. There we go. Put some fresh herbs up front. And here we have our whole, dressed, ready to go black sea bass. We're here at Ilfornino in Valley Cottage, New York, and we're outside cooking in the Largo. It's a beautiful oven designed by Ilfornino, and it couldn't be more of a beautiful day to be using this beautiful oven. Now we're just going to turn our fish around so we can have the other side cooking. Our fish is absolutely perfectly roasted. This oven is just dynamic. Look at the beauty of that roasted fish. So now we're going to take it out of the oven. We'll bring it over to our table. Oh yeah. Oh man, I can't wait to chomp into that.